Right there.
On that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
To make this. And another two.
There's some more. Where should we put this one?
Right there, Mama.
Right there? How about we put it
Right there.
let's put it up here. How's that? Is that good?
Let's get some more, okay?
Okay.
Christian, do you like the Christmas tree?
Yeah. You're gonna help Mommy, okay?
Okay, what are you helping Mommy do?
Let's help Mommy in Christmas.
Oh, that's good.
Whoa, be careful.
Uh-oh.
Be careful.
Mama.
Thank you.
Mommy has this. Mommy, help us go.
Okay, which one? Should we put it over here?
No, put it right there.
I think they all go right up front.
What happened? How about you want to put it on this one right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Need some more.
More?
Yeah.
That's because I had a little Shelby over here.
Yeah.
And very much asleep.
Can I see? Thank you. Here, help me, help me. I need Christian's help.
Mama.
Christian,
Christian,
say hi, Nana.
Hi, Nana.
Say bye-bye, Nana.
Baba, Nana.
Say come visit me, Nana.
Come visit, Nana.
Bye.